Girl, tell me why Unice created a wig that is interchangeable. Stay with me now, stay with me. The closures can be swapped out. We basically getting 2 wigs for the price of 1. The base of the wig is gonna stay the same, but we can change out the closure part. Stop, like what? Also, I wanna say that they are already done. They already come pre-everything, meaning pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all of that. We ain't gotta do none of that work. So I know y'all wonder like, if I wash this, will it still, you know, be stuck? Like, will it still stick back together? We gonna test that theory too. Unice, we not coming to play. This better be that girl. Let's just get into it because like, honestly, enough of that, enough of that. All the goods are in here, like these. So it comes with the little silk bag, of course. The robe, we're not wearing that today. And then it comes with your pieces. Yep, here we go struggling. Got them.
So this is how your wig comes packaged. It also comes with a wig cap and the bye-bye knots tape. So I have 3 options for you guys. Of course, the first one is the classic black closure. Everyone loves it. The second one is a black closure as well, but it's ombre'd with blonde highlights. I'm obsessed with this. And the third option is also a black closure, but it's ombre'd with this chestnut brown color. Obsessed.
We gotta show y'all the body of the wig.
These are the pre-styled curls that come along with the body of the unit. This is the overall construction, including the elastic band where you can wear it glueless. I love the new construction of the ear tabs. It does have combs and drawstrings.
Our first look with the natural color. And of course, you're gonna have to tint the lace. That's just obvious. It looks like straight out of the pack. Y'all look, it's very snug. Like, especially if you're going to be wearing it down in the middle part. It's not going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. This is the closure. This is the goodness. If you need the tape, do not hesitate to use the bye-bye knots tape. This is going to help you.
The first step is going to be pressing the tape where you want the lace to lay. The second step is going to be peeling the backing off of the tape. The third and final step will be laying the lace on top of the tape.
Just taking the back of my comb and pressing the lace into the tape.
I'm going in to detangle the hair for the first time using a wide tooth comb. Honestly, I could have used my arm brush. It would have been an easier process, but I did get some tangling during this step.
Alright guys, so this is how the first install turned out, okay? Y'all, these curls eat down, okay? I love the way they curled this unit. So let's get into taking this off and putting a new closure on. If y'all see something flying back and forth, it's a fly.
You ever see?
Stupid fly! If I'm looking a little crazy, it's because I went out for a little bit, so my curls probably dropped. So here is the closure, and we're gonna take this wig off. This is the closure we just took off. Y'all see the tape. So now I'm just going to detach. And it's Velcro, just like this. And it does have a hook or a latch. Y'all see that? Yeah. So you're gonna make sure to unhook it. Should come right off. And there's another hook. And now we're just left with the base of the wig. And now we're gonna take this one and we're just gonna attach it and just line it up and reattach the hooks. Super easy. This is crazy. I just can't believe it. This is just like a little pop of color. We're going in with the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I'm just gonna dab that on the outside of the lace. Like that. Going in with my wax stick. And going in with a little bit of my Sebastian spray. This method is better than that tinting spray. It was too warm. I want y'all to comment which method y'all like better. I personally like this one. Like, stop playing. Y'all, this is insane. It look like I got a brand new wig on, and it's the same wig. Taking this T3 curler, and I'm just gonna do some curls. Just gonna wrap it around like this. We're done curling. Well, today I just wanted to put a little bit of curls back in there so y'all can see. This is getting what it's supposed to give. I love this color. It's nice and subtle. It's not too much. So this is the last one. This is the brown chocolatey color. So same steps as before. Pull apart the Velcro. Just like this. Unlatch the hook. Keep on going. And boom. I'll reattach it the same exact way. To just make sure everything is lined up. And if you're like me who always likes changing up their units, this is gonna be perfect for you.
So the show must go on. We're just gonna have to finish out the video doing a voiceover. I am reinstalling it. I wore it completely glueless the first time around. I'm using my ORS spray to adhere the end of the closure because it was kind of lifting. So we're just gonna solve that by doing that. But overall, the concept of this magic lace eats down. I love how quick and easy it was for me to change wigs. And it looked like I went out and bought different wigs, but the gag is it's the same wig, but a different closure. Y'all need this. I don't care, especially if you're a girl that like changing your wig often. I'm gonna show you quickly how to do my favorite curls. I just basically grab my curling wand and curl under. I hold the curl for 30 seconds, but once I let it go, I let it cool down, and then I like to spray it with hairspray. Once I do that, stretch it out, and then I comb it using my fine tooth comb, and it should give you this beautiful, beautiful body wave type of curl. Obsessed, y'all, and especially so pretty with color. However, this color closure could have used a cold wash because it did feel kind of dry, so that's that on that. But other than that, y'all, I have no complaints. It did the, the normal shedding and tangling per usual, but y'all, I definitely would recommend this to everyone. Obsessed. Okay, I'm completely obsessed. So I will link this down in the description section below just in case any of you guys want to check out the wig yourself, and I would definitely recommend it. 1,000 out of 10. No complaints. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you thought about this unit, and until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.